Hello, this is Mixtures and Alligation lesson 1. In this I will discuss basics with examples. Now first of all, what is a mixture is? I will take few example. If I want to say, let's say 20 liter solution is there, 20 liter total solution is there, 20 liter of 30% milk solution, 20 liter of 30% milk solution. So how much milk will be there? So total solution is 20 liters, out of which the milk is 30%. So can I say milk would be how much? Milk would be 30 by 100, 30% 30 by 100 of 20 liters. You will get 6 liters will be your milk concentration. 6 liter will be milk is there. Another example could be, let's say in a 60 liter solution is there, 60 liter solution of milk and water. 60 liter solution of milk and water. Given that the ratio of milk and water, is 3:2. In this the ratio of milk and water is 3:2. So how much milk and how much water will be there? So can I say milk is 3 parts and water is 2 parts. So milk would be 3 by 5 because milk is 3 parts out of total 5 parts. So 3 by 5 of 60 liters, that would becomes 36 liter. 5 12s are 12 3 is 36. Same way water would be how much? 2/5 of 60, that is 24 liter. So in this way we can find the individual quantity of milk and water. Let's discuss the first example where I will make the concept more clear with the help of examples. The question says that 2 kg of rice costing 60 per kg is mixed with 3 kg of rice costing 80 per kg. Find the average cost price of the mixture. So can I say 2 kg rice is of 60. So total cost of this will be 2 kg rice I have, 1 kg rice of 60. So 2 kg rice will be of 2 into 60, 120 rupees. That is the cost of rice. Plus 1 kg other rice is of 80 per kg. So 3 kg would be 3 into 80. This is the total cost of all the rice. This is the total cost of all the rice. Other side the question says that find the average cost price. Now this is the total cost. How we find the average? We know that average is equal to total by n. Total cost by number, total of all observations divided by number of observations. In this case n will be the total weight. So can I say this is the total cost of all the product? Total cost, total weight is 2 kg plus 3 kg, that is 5 kg. So I will get my average cost. This will become 120 plus 240 by 5, 360 by 5. So my average cost will be 72 per kg. This 72 per kg is the average cost of the mixture per kg. It means by mixing 2 kg of 60 per kg rice with 3 kg of 80 per kg rice, the average cost to me as a retailer for per kg of rice would be 72 per kg. Next question, example number 2. In what ratio rice costing 60 per kg must be mixed with rice costing 80 per kg such that the average cost price per kg of mixtures becomes 77 per kg? Now this question can be solved in 2 ways. One with the basic average equation and second with the help of alligation. I will let you know how. We don't know how much kg rice we have for x 60 per kg. Let's say 60 per kg we have x kg rice and 80 per kg we have, let's say, y kg rice. Again by making that average equation we can have. So x kg rice, 1 kg of 60 rupees. So x kg will be x into 60 rupees. 1 kg rice of other kind is 80 per kg. So y kg would be y into 80 rupees. That is the total cost of rice. This total cost, there is a total cost. This total cost can be calculated on the other side by the average equation. Average is total by n. Total of all observations divided by number of observations. In this case, you can see that number of observations, instead of number of observations I have total weight. Now I have x kg of one kind of rice, y kg of another kind of rice. So total weight I have x plus y kg, and their average price is 77 given to me. So total price, I'm calculating total cost on the other side by the equation value, because total I have x plus y kg rice. Now their average cost is given to me, so I can calculate total cost. Average cost is 77. So in this way I will solve. This is 60x plus 80y, 77x plus 77y. 77x minus 60x, x will come here. Here I will get 80y minus 77y. This becomes 3y is equals to 17x. You will get x is to y. Ratio is 3 by 17. So it means that 3:17 is the required ratio that we will need to calculate. In this ratio, they should be mixed so that the average price becomes 77 per kg. Now this is the one method. Another method is alligation method, as the chapter name is alligation method. Alligation is just a way of writing this average equation. Alligation is not a new topic. It is a way of writing the average equation. This average equation, you can write this average equation, you can write in alligation form. That's the only way of writing. It's not a new concept. In this, we write three things: first, second, and third. On first top, we write what we need to mix. We need to mix 60 per kg rice with 80 per kg rice. I need to mix 60 per kg rice with 80 per kg rice. Here in the center I will write the average cost. Average cost would be 77 per kg. First you need to write which two things you are going to mix. So I am mixing 60 per kg rice with 80 per kg rice. I will write this on the top, 60 per kg and 80 per kg. My average price should be 77 per kg. Now you have to subtract diagonally. You have to subtract diagonally this 80 minus 77. So diagonally subtract smaller value from the larger value. 88 minus 77, which is the larger value? 80. 80 minus 77, you get 3. Here diagonally, this diagonal, 77 minus 60. Larger value minus smaller value. 77 minus 60 is 17. So we will get ratio. This you will get the ratio 3:17. This 3 stands for 60 per kg. This 3 stands for 60 per kg. And this 17 stands for 80 per kg. So in this way you will get the ratio in the easiest way. Again you can see that this is just not the new concept. You have subtracted 60 minus from 77. You have subtracted 77 from 80. Here you are also doing the same thing. You have subtracted 77y from 80y and 60 from 77. This is just the way of writing this equation. I am just bolding it. This equation 80y minus 77y, you can represent it in this form. That's the only difference. Why we are doing alligation? Because it will make our questions very easy. So what we have to do, again I am explaining, you have to write the two things to be mixed. 60 per kg, 80 per kg, and average is 77 per kg. You will get the ratio in which the things are mixed. It is not, this alligation method is used in many questions. Wherever, I am telling you, wherever the average is given of two things, you can always use the alligation. I am just writing here. So wherever average price, average profit, average concentration, average interest is given of two things, etc, etc. There are so many options. Average price, average profit, average concentration, average interest of two things. We can always use the alligation. We can always use the allegation. So where to use allegation? Whenever average price, average profit, average concentration, average interest you have given of two things only, you can always use the allegation. This we will make this concept clear, what I wanted to say in examples to be discussed next. Next question says that how many kg of sugar costing 37 must be mixed with 24 kg of sugar costing 49 per kg, so that there is a gain of 20% by selling the mixture at 54 per kg. Now you can see that I don't know how many kg of sugar costing 37 per kg. Let's say 37 per kg, x kg of sugar is there. I don't know how much kg of sugar is there, so I will assume that this is x kg. 49 per kg sugar, I know that this weight is 24 kg. Average price I have not given. Very important, you have given the selling price. You don't know the cost price of mixture. So first thing, I will calculate the average cost price of mixture per kg. So what I know that selling price of mixture is given to me 54 per kg. Selling price of mixture I know that is given to 54 per kg, but I don't know the cost price of mixture per kg. But I know that there is a profit of 20%. So I know that selling price is cost price of mixture plus profit. So can I say 54 per kg cost price of mixture plus profit is always calculated on the cost price. This is 20% of cost price of mixture. This is 54 per kg. This is 1.2 into cost price of mixture. So here I will get cost price of mixture is equals to 54 by 1.2. Your answer you will get cost price of mixture is 45 per kg. This is the cost price of mixture that is costing to you. Now I can solve this question again by two methods, one by equation, other by allegation. Let's see how to solve this question with the equation. Here I will solve with the help of allegation. So x kg of 37 per kg, the total cost will be 37 into x, because 1 kg of 37 rupees, x kg will be 37 into x rupees. Other is 1 kg of 49 rupees, so 24 kg 49 into 24. This will be equals to how much total rice we have, total not rice, total sugar we have. We have x plus 24 kg of total sugar, x plus 24 kg, and its average price is, we have calculated 45. So we have total cost here, total cost here, total cost here, total cost here, and you can get the final answer. Now I will first solve with the help of allegation. It will be very easy to solve this question with the help of allegation. As you have to solve the questions in exam in less than a minute, it's better to use the allegation method in such question. But don't forget, you must know the equation method, because in case you are not able to solve with the help of allegation, you must know how to solve with the help of equation. I have written the equation, you can get the final answer. Allegation, it's very simple. Now which two things are you mixing? We are mixing rice costing 37 per kg with the rice costing, we don't know, let's say rice costing 37 per kg with the rice costing 49 per kg. 37 per kg I am mixing with 49 per kg. I need average price should be 45. This is the average price. Average price will be always in between the two prices. The 37 I am mixing with 49. Average is 45. Again you have to subtract diagonally. 49 minus 45 is 4. 45 minus 37, this is 8. So you have to mix in the ratio 1:2. This 1 stands for 37, this 2 stands for 49. You have subtracted diagonally. You can see that 49 minus 45 like this diagonally. 45 minus 37 like this diagonally. You have to subtract diagonally smaller value from the larger value. So ratio is 1:2. Now 1 stands for 37 per kg and 2 stands for 49 per kg. This is like this. 1 stands for 37, 2 stands for 49 per kg. 1:2 is the ratio we mixed. Now what is given to us? We have given to us the 49 per kg rice. The total weight is 24. So this is 2:24 kg. This is given to us that 49 per kg rice. We have the quantity is 24 per kg. Now to maintain the ratio, what should be 1? Can I say this should be 12 kg? 12 kg is to 24 kg. Then only the ratio will be 1:2. So my answer is 12 kg of 37 per kg rice I have mixed. So you can see that with the help of alligation, it is quite convenient to solve such question, and you can solve the question in less than a minute. In the next class, I will discuss more and more examples on alligation so that this concept will be absolutely clear to you. Thank you.